first project. It is about the line follower robot on Proteus. First of all, I would explain that which components are required. That is, one is Arduino Uno DC motor, IR sensor, and a L293D motor driver. This is the Arduino Uno quite well, and some specifications about it. And you can see the L293D motor driver. These are the enable pins 1 and 9, and this is the input with this input. The input 1 and input 2 is the output for 1 and 2, and this to ground, and similarly for the next two motors here. And this will be the VCC, this will be the VCC. This is the L293D pin IC, and the pin configuration is over here. You can see. Next, the IR sensor. The IR sensor main work, there are two types of IR sensors, active and passive. Active infrared sensors both emit and detect the infrared. Means the main thing is IR sensor is that there are two sensors, there are two lights which are infrared. One of one of them, this one will emit the light, and this one will catch the light if it gets reflected. Uh, this is about the IR sensor. Means this is the IC used. So, and this part of the infrared sensor is known as intensity controller. By twisting this knob, we can control the intensity of the infrared sensor. Me Basically, this is the IR, means infrared LED, which emits light. We cannot see this by our naked eyes, but using the camera we can see the light emerging out of this. And this will, if the light gets reflected back, then this will be the this will catch and make it make the path seen. And accordingly this IR sensor works. This is the circuit diagram. We will show you on the Proteus application, and this is the source code. I will explain. First of all, let me show you the path for which I have used this. Wait a second. Okay, so I have used this path over here. You can see, means I have used the code. I can show you now here. This is the code I have used. I will explain accordingly with the path I have used. I have just used a simple path for this. So you can see, I can show you the path. Wait a second. So okay, now here it is. So this is the path I have used, and you can see over here the code is like this. First we will read the sensor number 10, okay, and this sensor number 9. So let me show you. The main thing is that when the robot is here, when it goes, the one sensor will be over here and one sensor over will be over here. So this will show that this white light will reflect the line, and this, when this part reflects, then the IR sensor throws back the data that this is there, it is a reflection is there. So we can go in the forward direction, and as soon as when this any of the sensors come in this direction, let me suppose that we are moving in the left alignment, means from this side to this side in this way. Now let me show you, one second. Okay, so suppose we are moving in this direction. Okay, this is left alignment. So these two, then if there is left alignment, then the left sensor will work in the this part of the code, this much. And if it is going in the right alignment, let me show you. If this is in the right alignment, I mean to say like this, if it moves in this direction, then the code, then the second part of the code will be there, that is this one. I will put there else if, and here also else if. Okay, so these two are the parts of the code, that is it. So let me first verify this whether is it correct or not. And then we will post it on the code accordingly, whether it is working properly or not. So it has been done, compiling, the sketch is compiling. So let me till then we will open the circuit where we have made this. So this part is clear to all of you, that how the left alignment goes and the right alignment goes in the code. So let me open this. Till then it's compiling the sketch, and meanwhile you can understand the circuit over here. The main is thing, this is the output given to 10, this output given to the 9, and this is the ground, and this one we have given the power to the IS both with a battery of 9 volt, and this is the motor driver, where inputs are at 5, 4, 3 and 2, and outputs is connected with the motor, and you can see the motors are rotating when it is 0 0. I will explain. Here it is over, we have opened this. This is the line follower robot. So I think it has compiled the sketch. Yes, now we will make it binary one, so that we can put it in the code quite well. So I think it's done. Now we will see the circuit. Okay, this is the circuit, you can see. Now we will load the code over here. You know this, we will go over here and put the code, that is, you can see the code of line is I have stored here. Code line X file will be in the Arduino, and there, and okay. Now these ICs will also contain, so let me put this hex file of this, open, and okay, and this also hex file. Okay, now it's done. So let me stimulate this. You can understand the circuit. This one is output at 10, this output at 9, and these the inputs at the 5, 4, 3 and 2. You can see over here 5, 4, 3 and 2, 5, 4, 3 and 2, and the output to the motors. Okay, so now let me stimulate this. So you can see we are not manual over here, so we cannot use the, we cannot use the manual way, so we have given the states. So these, see, you can see the states are low, that means according to code you can see when these states are low, means see this part, this is low and this is low, then this means the both motors will move accordingly. So you can see the both motors are moving accordingly. There is a small there is a time lapse, you can see it is calculating very slow. It's so the motors are slow. As soon as we take, suppose it is a left alignment, then this would not sense, suppose, then you can see the motor has stopped and this is still moving, then it is moving to the left alignment. Okay, then they stop this, then you can see both the motors starts moving accordingly. When we stop this one, so you can see this motor has stopped and this has started to move. This way the line gets followed in the left and right alignment. Here we have used this circular path, that is left, this one is the left alignment, no, right alignment. So accordingly we have used the path, we have used the circular path for this. So I think this much will be clear to everyone. It's a very easy one. So according to the path we can take the codes where we want to like it. So this is all about the line follower robot. how to make it using IR sensor and the L293 motor driver. That's it. Hope you enjoyed, and many more projects will come soon. Thank you.